This is Amateur vs Advanced Cookie Edition. I'm going to show you how to make a 30-minute chocolate chip cookie. I'm going to compare that to a 12-hour chilled chocolate chip cookie dough that has roasted hazelnuts and salted caramel. For the 30-minute cookie, we're going to add light brown sugar, demerara, and soft butter to a bowl. And we beat that for 3 minutes. It's going to look nice and light and fluffy. We add an egg and vanilla and beat again. We sift over our dry ingredients. And finally, the all-important dark chocolate. We just stir it together until it forms a cookie dough. We roll that cookie dough into balls, roughly 65 grams per cookie, and they go straight in the oven. 12 minutes. And look at those, ready from start to finish in under 30 minutes. It's always worth a little flaky salt. And there you have your classic chocolate chip cookie, which is slightly thinner but still nice and chewy from the brown sugar. For the advanced dough, we add muscovado sugar, salt to butter and vanilla. And we just beat it until it's light and fluffy. Add in the egg and then beat again. Next goes in the dry ingredients. There's a little bit of corn flour in there to improve the texture. And the all-important chocolate. We've got milk chocolate chips and dark chocolate. You simply stir it together with a spatula to form a cookie dough. And we chill the dough in the fridge for 12 hours, which is supposed to improve the flavour and the texture. We cut the chilled dough into 105 gram pieces. The secret to the perfect shape is pressing the dough into ring moulds and into the oven to bake. We take them out the oven and we let them cool slightly. We're going to pipe on some homemade salted caramel, add roasted hazelnuts, and then some hazelnut skins. And there you have your advanced chocolate chip cookie, which has more depth of flavour from chilling the dough, and it's more elegant with the addition of the salted caramel and the nuts.